everybody, and welcome to another Saturday Scribbles. I decided this week to do 3 more dinosaur doodles because I'm still in a dinosaur mood. These are 3 more very basic, very simple looking dinosaurs, and they don't have feathers or anything super cool, but they're fairly easy to draw, and that's what we're here for. Easy, easy, easy. And so the first one is a pterodactyl, and I'll have a colored version at the end of the video just so you can get an idea of what you could do with it. And if you want to think about it in shapes, just think of a really big triangle on its side and then another triangle on its side for the head. The next one is one of my favorite dinosaurs, and it's a plesiosaur. It's the creature that they think is in Loch Ness, if that gives you any idea. And they have these really long necks and then little flipper bodies. And I love drawing them. They're just so cute. And you could draw them in the water. If you're worried about drawing their lower half, you could totally do like a Loch Ness thing. And the last one is the big bad TRex, otherwise known as Tyrannosaurus Rex. And it's a little harder to draw, and I will be the first to admit that my version looks a lot more like Godzilla than a regular T-Rex, but that's okay. And I just have its mouth open in shock, or yours could be roaring. It's totally up to you. And I went ahead and just made the teeth part of the body versus having a line separating them. But again, totally up to you. And I was going to give it a little flower crown, like I've seen people do with the raptor images, but I thought maybe not this time. But that's something that you could do with your drawing if you want to be fancy. I used to draw little top hats on my T-Rexes, and sometimes I'd put like a really tiny top hat on top, or I would make a huge top hat for them, and I'd give them a little bow tie. And again, that's just from my own personal doodles. There's no rhyme or reason. I'm sure it has to do with some childhood movie or another that it has imprinted itself on me. You know how that goes. And voila, the colored versions. Do the colors have any rhyme or reason? No, they're just fun. And my cat says hello. Thanks for watching.